Hi, Tyson Mutrux here with Mutrux from Injury Lawyers, and today I'm answering a question that I get all of the time, and that is, why can't we sue the insurance company? And that question normally comes up whenever we're negotiating back and forth on a car crash case, or it could be a fall case, whatever it may be. When we're negotiating with the insurance company, we can't come to a settlement, and we have to end up suing the defendant, and the defendant in the case is the at-fault party. It's not the insurance company. So even though the other person may have caused the crash and they may be telling their insurance company, hey, settle this case, I don't want to get sued, we still have to sue the defendant, even though the insurance company is calling all the shots. And so the law says we have to sue the defendant. That's why we sue the defendant and not the insurance companies. We wish we could sue the insurance companies, but we're not even allowed to talk about insurance during a trial when we sue another individual for a car crash or whatever it may be. It's very unfair. It's an unfair system, but it's just the system we're in. There are some exceptions to not being able to sue the insurance company, and that's whenever it's an uninsured motorist case, whenever the other driver didn't have insurance, and every policy in the state of Missouri has an uninsured motorist coverage on it of a minimum of $25,000. So even though someone else may be at fault, if you have auto insurance, you can still get compensation for your injuries, which most people don't really know about. Another one might be underinsured motorist coverage, where the other driver did have insurance, but not enough, and so your insurance kicks in if you have it for underinsured motorist coverage. In those situations, if you can't work it out with your insurance company, then yeah, you can sue them. That's something we do quite often, actually. Another situation is if you're the defendant. Let's say you're the defendant that I referenced earlier, and you're telling your insurance company, hey, settle this case, I don't want to get sued. And then they get sued and they get popped for a big judgment. Then that insured can sue the insurance company for not protecting his or her interest. And that's called a bad faith lawsuit. And so that is a situation where the insurance company could get sued. And you can even, and we try this quite often, where we try to work out an agreement with the defendant where they can assign the rights to the bad faith lawsuit to the plaintiff, and then we can sue the insurance company. So that is an option, but again, it's not the majority of cases. You've got to jump through some hoops to do that. It doesn't apply to every single case, but the law says we've got to sue the at-fault party in most situations. All right. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 888-550-4026. Also check us out on YouTube, Mutrux from Injury Lawyers, and subscribe to our channel. And then also make sure to like us on Facebook. We share great tips, advice every single day. We share recipes, and we share some Friday funny stuff. So check us out there. All right, make it a great day out there. We'll see you.